Hey guys, Joel and Christy here, and what are we doing today?
We're going to share a what's for dinner video with you. Also, we're going to have, well, let's just say if you think it would be fun to see Joel dunked about 1 billion times in like a minute, this is your video.
All right, stay tuned.
To start off this what's for dinner, we are oddly starting off with leftovers. We're basically having an eat what's in the refrigerator kind of night. And this may not look like all that much. It's maybe not the prettiest thing in the world. But what this is we had baked chicken thighs a couple of days ago. There was one piece left and some baby potatoes. And so I just heated back up that piece of chicken. I took it off the bone and heated it up and reheated some of the potatoes, threw some Parmesan cheese and some red pepper flakes on there, and that's going to be dinner tonight. All right, tonight we are actually having Chick-fil-A. Joel, you want to show them what you got? I got some chicken nuggets. They grilled. I have Chick-fil-A sauce to go with it. Also got a yogurt parfait.
I got some mac and cheese, Chick-fil-A sandwich with bacon, Kobe Jack cheese, and a lot of pickles.
Yeah, and so we just got home late because they were having a luau party at Chick-fil-A today, and Joel was in the dunk tank. Yep. So if you hang on for just a second, I'm going to insert a couple of clips of him being dunked.
That's right.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, nope, not yet. Still try.
You got this.
Oh.
I don't know. Did that hit, guys?
Yeah. Did that hit? Who's next?
Really hard, okay?
Nobody can dunk me.
Oh, hit, right?
All right, Shamrock, let's go. Oh. All right, back him up a little bit.
Yeah. I heard you backed him up. He's at the yellow. He's behind the yellow.
I take back to the blue marker right now.
Yeah?
Blue marker. Come on, Matthew! Oh! Dude, my granny throws better than that.
Oh!
Tonight we put a whole chicken in the slow cooker with some potatoes. And we roasted some broccoli, and so tonight we're having this chicken, potatoes, and broccoli. Pretty simple, and because we used a slow cooker, it didn't heat the house up very much at all. So there you go. Yesterday I forgot to record what we had for dinner. I forget half the time. But it was just breakfast foods, eggs, bacon, grits, stuff like that. Joel made it, but I totally forgot to record it. But tonight, we tried a new recipe. We will be probably recording this and sharing it before long, but this is our first night to try it. And it is just basically campfire nachos. You make them on the grill. We got chips, and there's chilies, black beans, and cheese, of course. And we've got chicken that has been seasoned in taco seasoning. And I also have some tomatoes and an avocado to put on the top. And that's it. That's basically what we have for dinner tonight. And we're considering this a full meal, we hope. But anyway, because it does have like all the stuff, All right, this is Saturday night. So we're coming to a close on this What's for Dinner video. Just one more night, and that'll be it. But tonight my sinuses are draining. I'm not feeling the best, and Joel is at work, so I just ate a pack of crackers and I made some tea. I think my sinuses are draining. I don't know if I just said that or not. It has ginger and honey and lavender. Hopefully those flavors don't compete with each other too much. Hopefully they'll mix well. But anyway, I have got the tea ready, except for I'm going to add just a little bit of this whole milk into it, just a splash. And then I'm going to drink that, and I'm hoping that'll help me feel better, and I'll be ready to go to bed before too long because, like I said, I'm not feeling my best. So anyway, see ya in just a second with Sunday night's What's for Dinner. Okay, so this is Sunday night, and after church and after we did a little work around the house, we decided to come out to Walt Disney World, to the Magic Kingdom. This is what we're having for dinner. We do this often when we are in the parks. We get kids' meals. And so for me, I got what's like virtually like Lunchable, except a little healthier. Ham and cheese, whole wheat crackers, freeze-dried green beans, apples, and grapes. And it comes with a little chocolate milk. And Joel got a flatbread pepperoni pizza.
Yep.
It also is a kid's meal. That's a kid-sized portion,
Yep.
according to them.
Yep.
And some French fries comes with that.
Yep.
He also got a drink with it.
Yep.
And so, yeah, this is one of the ways that we save when we go to theme parks, is we either get kids' meals if the restaurant allows you to order kids' meals. Most of them do. Or we share a meal so that we don't have to pay for 2 full meals, plus saves us calories.
Yep. Well, there you have it, and I hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed getting dunked a whole
Yeah,
bunch
it got
of
cut short this time. I was supposed to be on there 45 minutes, but it started raining and lightning in the area, and so they cut it short after about 15 minutes. But that's always a fun time. We do our luau at the restaurant. I get to do that every year, so.
Yeah. And it's always fun because they never want to like just have the kids have to walk away without dunking somebody, so they will help them out and make sure that they get dunked a bunch of times. That's because right. They don't want the kids to be too sad.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
All right, so drop some comments below and let us know how your dinners are going. Let us know what you're eating for your dinners tonight, and then let us know something fun you've done recently, like dunk tank or something like that. Maybe not a dunk tank, but maybe something like that. Drop
summer activities.
Yeah, drop those things in the comments below. We'd love to know that about you. Well, I think that's going to do it today for saving money for the long run. We're Joel and Christy, and don't forget it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.